How to never get denied for a loan again.
You know what? It's a lot of things that we don't know as a community that we need to know.
Turn that penny into a 5.3
A millionaire
You
time
want
six.
to learn how to make your money work hard for you rather than working hard for money. I want you to be there. Tune in. Hey, it's me again, and I am here with my girl.
All right. I hope by now we have been educated on the concept of cash flow, how money works, how money was always intended to work, and how you can create wealth for you and your family. Now, one of the questions while we were on break was, how old do I have to be to start my own life insurance policy? 18 years old. At 18 years old, you are old enough to start your own life insurance policy. What if I'm older? What if I'm up in age and I want to start this concept? That's where insurable interest kicks in. Parents, you can take out a policy on grandchildren. You can take out a policy on your children. You can take out a policy on your spouse. You can take out a policy on your business partners or your employees. These are great opportunities for you to create infinite banking. Now, we all know the story of Walmart and how they had policies on all their employees, and employees didn't even have knowledge of having the infinite banking concept designed with them in mind. However, it wasn't to the benefit of the employees, it was to the benefit of Walmart. When you take out a policy, it is to the benefit of you. You are creating your policy. So if the policy is on your employees, it's to your benefit. If the policy is on your children, it's to your benefit. If the policy is on yourself, it is to your benefit because you are the owner of that policy. Okay? Now, if I take out a policy on myself, it's to my benefit. If I take a policy out on my children, it is still to my benefit. And when I say benefit, we're talking about cash accumulation, the magic of leverage. The magic of leverage. You're not going to get this in school. You're not going to get this in the banking institution. This is a concept. It has to be understood. This is not a product that you can buy. It's a concept that you must get understanding when it comes to understanding how our money is supposed and was intended to flow. We went over the guaranteed approvals. Now I know that I don't have to wait to get a loan. I can call up Mr. Insurance Company and say, I would like to take out $100,000 so that I can purchase or do whatever. Now, I don't have to specify what I need the money for, unlike a 401k. I want my $100,000. I'm entitled to it. It's right there. I see it on my statement. Therefore, it is available to me. One of the other things we talked about, and that's understanding how to make our money grow. As the money continues to build, that money is going to create cash. That money is going to create cash for you, for your loved ones. That money can be passed down to your heirs. This is accumulated cash value. This is important information. This is so important that nothing else should be having your attention right now. Why? Because this is a concept that will change the trajectory of your life. This will do what you have been hoping and been wishing and been thinking, how can I get out of the rut of debt? And okay, if I decide to save, I'm still always right below that zero line that we talked about. What about the wealth creation? Let me become the what? Let me become the who. Let me help you and show you how you can become wealthy. It's a simple concept. It's a process. It is a understanding. It is a benefit, tax benefit. There are so many benefits to this simple concept. Now, one of the last questions, and this is going to be just a general overall to like really nail this thing to the simplest form. And that is, what can I do to get started today? How much money do I need to get started today? Assuming you can afford to put $50, $100, $200 away, it's going to take time for you to accumulate cash value in that policy. But again, just like the penny concept, that money is just compounding over time and over time and over time. So just like your 401k that's tax deferred, this money is tax free whenever you decide to pull it out. What you put in is what you get out. Now, if I come into a lump sum of money, assuming I can put away $25,000, I can pull that money out of a line of credit, an equity line, or some other form, and I can take that $25,000 and put it into that policy year one. That money is there for me to now start the infinite banking process, the insurance cash flow concept. Year two, there's a concept within this concept that is called stacking. So what is stacking? I can take the cash value that I have here, and I have this year that I need to pay off. I can use the loan from the money that is in my cash value to pay the next following year off. And that's legal. It's your money. So I can recycle the $25,000 here to pay off the next year. And then I can do the same thing to pay off the next year. And I can do the same thing to pay off the next year. And I'll still have $106,000 with a 6.125% return on my investment, totaling $106,000 at the end of the 4 years. Say it with me, 4 years. This is why this concept is a must understand. It is a must of how I can create. Now, one of the great things that we also need to make sure that we get understanding on. The creator, Nelson Nash, I definitely want to give him credit where credit is due. And I'm grateful for his book, Become Your Own Banker. One of the things that I really admired about him before he graduated, and I wish I had the opportunity to meet him, he owned 39 policies before he transitioned. 39 policies on family members, grandchildren, children, daughter-in-laws, son-in-laws. Why? Business partners, insurable interests. Everyone that comes into your life is for a purpose, a reason. Whatever that season, whatever the purpose that you're seeking, I'm seeking, we're all connected. By divine right, we have an entitlement to our birthright. This is our birthright. This is an opportunity to create wealth and abundance, not just for you, but for the generations to come, the generations that will come long after you're gone, the heirs that will still be living off of what you started today. A simple acronym, YLIP, Your Life Insurance Policy. A simple acronym. I'm big on acronyms. Team, together, everyone achieves miracles. This is an opportunity for us to dream big, think big, step outside, and experience our unlimited potential through a simple concept. that can change how we see and how we view our money and how we have been living on this treadmill over and over and over. Remember, you don't have to be an expert. Every expert was once a beginner. This is an opportunity for you to make a difference. There's a number. There's a website. There's an opportunity for you. Will you call? Will you sign up to get the YLIP to create the difference that will change not just your life, but your family, your heirs, your loved ones? This is an opportunity to leverage your money. You want to bankroll your lifestyle. You want to live the fabulous life. You want it. That's what we all live for. Because remember, I'm looking at simple concepts. Money is still the answer to all things. We need money to live. We need money to buy. We need money to shop. This is an opportunity for you to take advantage of what you're already doing. This is an opportunity to take advantage of what we're already accomplishing. Make sure you understand the insurance cash flow concept. Thank you.
Wonderful. Oh, she did it. Oh, she did it. Oh. Live your blessed life.